Hey guys, so today I am going to react to Speedcubing Motivation. Here we go. Oh, there's a flip corner. Okay, that was going to be the world record, by the way. Oh. Okay. This isn't really motivating me. That's good, 2 seconds. We turn the cube and it twists us. That's Matt's fault. Yeah. Eder. I don't know him. There's Felix. Oh, that's easy pyramids. 1 second. By the way, feet is not, I'm not sure it's in WCA anymore. Felix again. I think that's a 7x7. Or it ain't right. So Felix is right there. That's Max Volk.
8 seconds.
So in that, Matt's Volk had the world record beside him, like this Matt's Volk beside him, he had the world record before him, and he just took it right then.